It's only an enabling provision. The entire intent is to make it more effective, more streamlined, more institutionalized, more democratized. ना मालूम ये धारणा कहां से चल पड़ी और इसको फैलाने में सबको शायद सुविधा भी थी कि सीबीआई का कार्यकाल बढ़ाया जा रहा है। ऐसा नहीं है सभापति महोदय, सीबीआई के कार्यकाल को 5 साल तक सीमित करने का यह निर्णय है। जो वर्तमान में धारा है या वर्तमान में जो इसका क्लॉज है उसमें द अपर लिमिट वाज नॉट फिक्स्ड। द क्लॉज सेड not less than 2 years. But what is more than that was never defined. हमने तो एक बंदिश डाली है और हर वर्ष जब कार्यकाल बढ़ाया जाएगा तो रिकॉर्ड में लिखा जाएगा उसके क्या कारण रहे। एंड इट विल गो थ्रू द सेम सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस जिसमें सदस्य कौन, ये भी बड़ी रोचक बात है, प्रधानमंत्री जी, चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया और तीसरे एलओपी ऑफ लोकसभा। इंडिया इज वन ऑफ द कंट्रीज विच हैज द लीस्ट टेन्योर फॉर द इन्वेस्टिगेशन एजेंसी हेड। एंड यू विल बी प्लीज्ड व्हेन आई रीड आउट जस्ट फॉर रेफरेंस, फेडरल ब्यूरो ऑफ इन्वेस्टिगेशन ऑफ यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स हैज अ टेन्योर ऑफ 10 years। लेकिन शायद हमें अध्ययन करने का समय नहीं रहा। एंड दैट इज अ डेमोक्रेसी। यूनाइटेड किंगडम्स इंटरनल काउंटर इंटेलिजेंस एंड सिक्योरिटी एजेंसी विच इज कॉल्ड MI5, इट हैज अ डायरेक्टर जनरल, नो फिक्स्ड टर्म, by the pleasure of the government. And if you see over the last few incumbents, the average term has been 5 to 7 years. Then you come to Germany, the Federal Criminal Police Office of Germany. No fixed term, is by the pleasure of the government, and in the last few incumbents, the average term has been 6 to 10 years. Australia, Australian Federal Police has a tenure of 7 years, and that is renewable. You can give another 7 years. तो यहां तो ऐसा हुआ कि जैसे बहुत बड़ा पाप होने लगा। Royal Canadian Mounted Police, average 4 to 10 years, no fixed term. The methodologies of crime have undergone a change. New technologies have come in. And the relevance of the head of the crime agency or the investigation agency is that many a time, quite a lot of information is privy only to him in person. So in the middle of an important case, if you change the head of the agency, others may not be able to carry it forward in the same tone and tenor. There is confidentiality involved, there is rapport involved, particularly when there are the international ramifications also of this. And moreover, we are also now part of the Financial Task Force. And therefore, I think in certain situations, we need to have extension of the head of the agency. Otherwise, it could rather be counterproductive. Just imagine if an important case is halfway and the head of the agency changes, it might benefit the person who is against whom the prosecution or against whom the interrogation is proceeding. So in order to bring it to a rational and a logical conclusion, the upper limit of the tenure may have to be extended to maintain the independence of this. And I would just conclude by saying again once that this is indeed an enabling stipulation, while at the same time, it is also including a rider which was not there in the earlier clause, which is why the former DG and honorable member mentioned terms getting extended. It also leaves the sufficient room for competent authority to decide on the tenure depending on certain sound reasons which will have to be recorded. It can't be arbitrary. The Delhi Special Police Establishment Ordinance 2021, which seeks to amend Section 4B of the Sect Act and insert the following clause, which is provided that the period for which the director holds the office on an initial and appointed may, in public interest, on the recommendation of the committee under subsection 1 of section 4A, and for the reasons to be recorded in writing, be extended up to 1 year at a time. Provided further, no such extension shall be granted